after a long time I'm making video. So why? There is a reason. There is a three reason behind of it. First, I have this package, I have this package, and I have this pretty big and heavy package from Amazon, which I have ordered. Nobody sponsored me. This is first package. Okay, I'm going to. Okay, you can see here is it, and I will open it after the our main product. And this is something is very long, you can see that. So okay, there is a lot of tape, and a lot of people you are getting idea what is it, or seeing this you already guess I think, but no problem. This is our last product, heavy, big, and quite expensive. And I'm again saying this is not a sponsor video. If somebody will sponsor me, I can make it. Okay, this is, and this is the product. Finally, I was looking to buy X4, but luckily Insta launched this product. So finally I got it. I got the courage to buy, because I feel if I want to go long in this journey, I should spend something, not even money. I should spend some time, money, because if I want to grow something, I have to invest something at least. And people who are watching me, they deserve better things. So I'm trying to do, and please help me, subscribe me, follow me. It's gonna help me eventually, and I will get a lot of things and make a lot of videos. And if I someday grow big and get famous, get a lot of sponsorship, and I know maybe I will definitely try to do giveaways from my side, not from the company sides. So I think this is good. Should I open? Let's do it, bro. And one more thing, this card is not free. I bought it. Okay, so I just want to show you. And these days memory card is very expensive. I don't know why. I just came from my work, and I was pretty excited to open this, but I want to make this video because first time I spending good money on something related to moto vlog and everything. So I thought I should be patient and make a video. So let's do it. I talk a lot. Okay, how it will open? Okay. So packaging is very good. I'm excited actually. So good. Check it out. Every moment, any angle, no limits. Think bold. Wow, I like the packaging, quite bold. And this is the product. It's quite heavy. and I love it. My first investment, like I invest in GoPro, which you haven't seen yet. So, but that was not a new one, and that was not a new model. It was second hand, so you can get used one. So it is pretty, like, it is new product I am investing. So let's do it. I don't want to make this video long. Okay, so first is this one is first, and what we have got. Okay, uh, we got this box. Okay, I'm gonna put this here. So in this box, what I'm getting, okay, I think this is the pouch. Oh, quite good pouch. Okay, in this pouch we have more things, which is, let me check what is it. Okay, it is some kind of, I don't know what is material of. I don't know about the previous models of Insta360, but it looks pretty, what I can say, heavy and rigid and very edgy design. I can say I think I got very good model, I can say that. And for this cover, I didn't show it, and I'm expecting it gonna be fit on it, because the it is not for the X5, it is for the X4. But I was not getting the for X5, so I bought to check out. And I think it's gonna work for it, because I heard that size not gonna size is same. So yeah, it is quite fit good. So I think it is okay. So as you seen, this is my, you can say, new friend Insta360 already. So you have seen the cap, you have seen the stick. So I think for now this is the time to wrap up. Please encourage me, follow, like, share, comment, wrap up.